Dr. Alan Cornfield again from Smart Medical. Wanted to let you know today a lot about Smart Medical. First of all, I wanted to tell you, we've been in business for 30 years, doing a great job for people of all ages, sizes, and people from all over the world. People come into our clinic with low back pain, neck pain, and headaches. We have a multiple disciplinary approach. I love chiropractic. Chiropractic is awesome. We heal people from within, not treating. We do treat the symptoms, but we will try to get to the cause of the problem. But we also understand the need for medical doctors. So we've gone ahead and hired a neurologist. We've also had an orthopedist on staff from time to time. But we work with orthopedists, neurologists, doing what's best for the patient. That's what's important, how you feel, how you respond. We have locations all over Montgomery County, Prince George's County, and now even Howard County and Washington, D.C. We have terrific hours, friendly staff, and great doctors at every location. All the doctors are trained to answer each and every one of your questions, so you could feel comfortable going in, opening up, and talking. Each visit is probably about 20 minutes to a half an hour of time, sometimes longer, depending upon what's ailing you, whether it's an injury or a chronic condition. Smart Medical is awesome and has been there for 30 years. If you have any questions, you could always call me, Dr. Alan Cornfield, at 301-585-2225.